Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we're getting closer to the end of support for Windows 10, which will happen in just a couple of weeks from now, there's of course the still rolled out. Microsoft apparently says that, yep, not everybody have seen it yet, and I see a lot of comments of people that have not seen it. Of course, it's the extended security update that you can enroll in for Windows 10. Now, there are several requirements, several things that they ask. Of course, all of them requiring you to have a Microsoft account. Now, we learned today that Microsoft has backed off for this in the European Union. So the European Economic Area, where, of course, Windows is different because it has to abide by some of those rules that they have there. They have, Microsoft has said, well, if you live under the European Economic Area, even if you don't use a Microsoft account, you'll be able to enroll for free to the extended security updates. So this is something that, it should be for everybody. Come on, drop the $30 for whatever you want to charge. And anyways, even that $30, you still have a Microsoft account for the rest of the world. So I think Microsoft should just, back away and say, look, here's a year free. Whether or not you get a Microsoft account, who cares? We're extending for a year, and that's it. So by extending, of course, you're going up to October 13th, I believe, 2026. And of course, there's been a lot of pressure. I was reading an article that was written about the pressure Microsoft is getting from many consumer groups that want more than a year for Windows 10 extension. And but Microsoft did reply back and say there will not be more than a year. This is 1 year, and that's it, and this is what you get. So we'll see. We know that Microsoft sometimes changes its mind, but it'd be fun if Microsoft would just do the same for everybody around the world, not just the European Economic Area, and let people without a Microsoft account have extended 1 year extended security updates for Windows 10 also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.